Hello, I'm Musa Kayode and I'm in the MMMC Guidance School Batch 2, mentored by Mr. Faust. And I'm here to share my experience in the MMMC Guidance School. Actually, it wasn't an easy experience. It wasn't an easy experience at all, especially that when you're not familiar with a whole lot. But thank God for the school. It has really introduced me to a wider spectrum. It has introduced me to a whole lot of things, a whole lot of applications, online apps. I was introduced to go to meeting. This was the first time I could experience such. Go to meeting and spreadsheets. I was also introduced to Google Map. I had to use signing the attendance sheet was really tough for me. I must say I could not sign, but after trying and trying, I was able to actually sign and get to go about it. Google Doc, Google Drive. It was an experience, a whole. I would say it was something that is worth it. It is worth it, and I also really want to use this opportunity to appreciate Mr. Tony Fowles. You have been of help. Calling up to him and he will answer and respond to us. I'm happy to be in the guidance school, if not for anything, as in for the exposure, for meeting people likes mind, share ideas and how to get this task done. It wasn't really funny, but it was worth it. MMC has given us the opportunity to really express ourselves and really help us to do what we have chosen to do and not because of the money. We are really working and helping us to get this dream actualized. I must say the guidance school is a whole lot of things down from the ideology of MMMC to the importance of MMMC, the rules guiding MMMC. It's worth it, I must say. And this is a community that I'm proud of. I'm proud to introduce someone to a community that is honesty is the core value the of the of each participant. So I want to use this opportunity to say I'm happy and to say thank you to MMMC and for everything they have done for me, helping me to go through this whole series. Thank you.